So I usually upload like these quizzes, and so which one means I've never been there. And so we have nunca fui ahí, nunca iba ahí, nunca iba ahí, and nunca voy ahí. And so why is it not nunca he estado ahí? Now, one important thing here is that here you can see that in English we're saying been, right? Been, using the verb to be, estar in this case, being in that state. But all of the variations or options show the use of the verb ir, which is to go. And so the reason for this is simply because whenever you say the phrase, I've never been there, or have you been there, what you're referring to is like traveling, like going there, right? Have you gone there? Have you been there? And so even though you could have very well said, nunca he estado ahí, it's a small nuance in using ir instead of estar. And all it changes is just that. It's just, when you say, if you would have said nunca he estado ahí, estado is being used as to be, as in a state, which would more so sound like, have you been at that location? But whenever, most people say, I've never been there, they're more so referring to traveling there, going there. And so estar isn't wrong in this case. It's just ir makes more sense through a nuanced perspective. But it is correct. So that's kind of how I would respond to this commenter.